Hey everyone!
Hello.
We're here today to talk to you about the book exchange program that we both together with the Office of Sustainability implemented in Charleston this semester. And I sort of came across this idea when I was in Germany over the summer. I saw it in Cologne and it was really cool. There were grandmas bringing books there and young kids taking books and bringing some other books. So I thought it would be really cool to have something like that in Charleston too. And Deborah's going to talk about why it's important to have something like that.
Yeah, I guess a major part about it is because I think sustainability can be a very privileged discourse, or a lot of people say that it is a very privileged discourse. So having like a book exchange sort of brings this down to a community level, which can be inclusive, especially I think in Charleston, where, especially in the downtown area, we can see a very wide income disparities, just sort of within a single street, even say at I guess even at the locations that we are having the book exchanges at. I mean, and we picked them specifically for this reason, sort of Black Tap, where you have sort of the public housing, where the underserved communities sort of there, or underprivileged communities there, with people at Black Tap who are, basically quite upper middle class if you can pay $3.50 for a coffee. And also places like Wildflower, which we eventually hope to include. And at this point, its relation to sustainability is also quite sort of just emblematic, because it's about sort of shared ownership and, that sense of like, we have a little thing here where we can, share. I don't know how else to express this.
And also I think like it's important, some books that might be invaluable to us might be really valuable to other people. So it's like a way of having a free access to knowledge, but also like entertainment and just kind of like...
Yeah, we don't read enough anymore, I think.
To start like getting people to read more about it as well.
Mm.
So now I guess I'm going to talk about how we actually did the project.
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, we started off thinking it's going to be a bookshelf, but then there were a lot of changes across the way.
Yeah, we were like, it's not portable enough. How are we going to get something like that's going to be expensive? And the other main point I think we wanted to do was to sort of include as many like local stakeholders as possible. So like sort of get in touch with carpenters and things like that. So we did.
Yeah, so we called up a couple of carpenters, and we finally found one who was willing to do a couple of boxes for us. And
it's the local wood. It's local woods are all reclaimed wood from like sort of houses that were demolished, or he gets them from the port. Yeah, so everything's kind of it's local. It's completely local, which we think is really cool. And he's also a local carpenter.
Mm.
Yeah.
And then next we had to get some books. Obviously, we all had some books like lying around in our houses and stuff, but we also got the Honors College involved.
Yeah, the Honors College gave us some books, so that was cool. What else do we... Oh, this Monday, we actually finally put in the book exchange at Black Tap, because it took us a while to sort of get the box, paint the box, and get it all sorted, I guess, with classes and stuff. And we went there today, just the day after, and like half the books are already gone. There were new books, I believe.
Yeah, 2 new books.
Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So,
yeah, so for one day, I think that's a pretty good
progress. So we just have to make sure that stuff just doesn't keep disappearing. Hopefully there's sort of like, it sustains itself. Yeah, that's another connection, sustainability, I guess. Yeah. Okay, enough?
Alright, I think that's it.
Yeah, okay, bye.